Hello guys and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In today's video, I will teach you how to fund your Pocket Option account using your Cash App. So first of all, you need to open your Cash App. You need to click this little bank or home icon in the bottom left menu. And you need to go to the Bitcoin. Before we will send your Bitcoin to Pocket Option account, I will remind you that you need to have activated your Cash App account to use the Bitcoin function. So first of all, you need to have Bitcoin on your Cash App. You need to click buy Bitcoin, select the amount you want to buy and buy Bitcoin on your Cash App. Then you can close your Cash App, open your Pocket Option app, then click this green wallet icon in the top right. Select the Bitcoin in the first gap and select the amount of dollars you want to deposit. For example, you want to deposit $50 amount of Bitcoin. You need to click continue and pay. But before you will pay, you need to read these rules. In order to get your Bitcoin payment proceed automatically, first the exact BTC amount should reach the specific address, so you need to send the exact amount. So in this case it's $50. Use only Bitcoin network for your transfer. Generate a new payment form for each new deposit. Failure to meet one of the requirements will result in the loss of funds, guys. So be careful. Here is the Bitcoin address where we need to send our Cash App Bitcoin. So we need to send our Cash App Bitcoin to this wallet address. We need to copy. And on the top here is written the amount of Bitcoin we need to send to this wallet address. So let's go back to Cash App. Again, you need to click the bank icon in the bottom left, go to Bitcoin, and once you will buy the Bitcoin, you will see your balance. There will be the blue arrow icon, which is the send button. You need to click this button, then you need to select the amount of Bitcoin you're sending to Pocket Option account. So in this case, $50 Bitcoin. You need to click the next button. You need to paste your wallet address, and then it will ask you to select the speed of the transaction. There will be different options. Some of them have extra fees, so you need to choose your favorite option. If you want to receive your Bitcoin as soon as possible, you can choose the priority speed option and click next button and confirm the transaction. If you choose the priority, in about 10 minutes you will receive your Bitcoin on your Pocket Option account balance. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.